Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to integrate Mailchimp with Shopify. First, navigate to your Shopify admin panel and find the Apps section. Search for the official Mailchimp app and click Add App to install it. Once installed, you will be prompted to log into your Mailchimp account or create a new one. Carefully review the connection details and grant the required permissions to proceed with the integration. After connecting your accounts, it's time to configure your sync settings. You'll select the Mailchimp audience that will receive your Shopify customer data. Next, confirm which contact types you want to sync, like new customers or existing subscribers. Finally, map your data fields, ensuring customer details such as names and email addresses transfer correctly between the two platforms for seamless operation. Effective management of blood debt is key to long-term success. One primary strategy is to revive your fallen heroes as swiftly as possible, ideally within 1 or 2 turns, to minimize the debuff's duration. Some heroes possess unique skills that can reduce or even temporarily negate the effects of blood debt. Carefully consider your team's composition to ensure you have options for recovery and mitigation during intense engagements. With your platforms integrated, unlock powerful marketing capabilities. Automate email campaigns, such as abandoned cart reminders or post-purchase follow-ups, to re-engage customers. Leverage sync data to create highly targeted segments, allowing you to send personalized product recommendations that resonate. Use Mailchimp's robust analytics to understand customer behavior better, optimizing your campaigns for increased engagement and sales.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.